I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the only tool that matters, the Mazda key fob and its mechanical blade. Remove the metal key blade now, unlock the driver door if the fob isn't working, and sit in the driver's seat. Keep the fob in your hand. This is important because once inside you will use the fob's transponder even if the battery is dead. Once done, place the fob within arm's reach and position your foot over the brake. We move to the ignition step next. Now you execute the only reliable start method when the fob battery won't talk to the car. Depress the brake firmly. Do not skip this. Hold the face of the fob against the center of the start/stop button so the car can read the transponder chip. After 1 to 2 seconds, press the start/stop button while continuing to hold the fob there. The engine should crank. If it doesn't, keep holding and retry once more, because alignment and timing matter for the transponder read. Once the engine fires, release the brake and let the car idle while you stow the mechanical key and the fob securely. If the car does not start after 2 tries, try a spare fob if available, and then replace the fob battery. Weak cells often prevent transponder reads. If you get immobilizer warnings or persistent no-start faults, do not keep cranking. Check dash messages and arrange dealer or roadside assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.